Welcome to today's Bridge Operator Console demo. Often I'm asked, how does Bridge connect with Microsoft Exchange and what information can I get? Really, there's two sources of data that we're able to glean from Microsoft Exchange Server: contacts and calendar information. Contacts will be stored here, typically in the My Address book under Exchange Contacts. So it'll keep that synchronized amongst your other categories where you'll have all your Exchange contacts visible and able to do things with them in the program. It's like transfer calls, make calls to them, things like that. The calendar portion of things will show up a couple of different places. One, it can populate this other status field so you can see that people are out of the office, just kind of as a general broad view of the extensions. Or if you want some more detail, there's a couple things you can do. You can go into the extension properties calendar section, which will pop up a window by default with a blind version of that person's calendar. So you can see basically if the person is free, out of the office, tentative, or busy, but you won't be able to see who they're with, what they're doing, those sorts of things. It gives you enough information to provide an answer to when they would return. And you can change that to a day view, a month view, or a timeline view as well. If you're a particular operator who's in charge of perhaps a single person, you may want to take advantage of the pop out as sticky option. That will let you just pop out a particular person's information, I guess, as far as what's going on a day-to-day basis. Won't show anything really in the past, so we're just kind of looking forward. But then you could hide the program, go about your other business, and just keep that person's visibility on top of everything else. You can see their calendar, you can transfer calls to them, call them, do all the things you'd expect without needing to have the entire screen visible for that to happen.